Nice little burn to it. Alright, so I'm back sooner than I thought it would be. I gotta finish up lunch, but I wanted something on it, and I didn't want one of the sauces I already had, so I wanted something new. So here I am, doing another one from Creature Sauce Co. Mr. Eric. Great guy. Nice company. Love, love, love his bottles. And his other sauces, the Tropical Zombinero and the El Chupacabra. Great sauces for just about anything you can think of. I have his spicy Sauceferatu barbecue sauce. I mean, check out that label. I mean, isn't that just cool? Got the old Nosferatu on there. And I got the spicy version. He does make a regular version, but, well, you know me. I wanted the spicy one first. And, ooh, it's even perforated. For tasting, I have chicken tenders. Oh, I'm actually really looking forward to this, but we're going to do a regular sauce tasting for this. So we have to get out the sauce spoon. So chase the heat, sauce spoon. So, spicy Sauceferatu, Creature Sauce Co. The ingredients on this barbecue sauce are Carolina Reapers, ketchup, dark brown sugar, molasses water, Worcestershire sauce, apple cider vinegar, and spices. I don't know if any of you guys make your own barbecue sauces. We do here, and put like garlic powder in it, and cumin, and all the other fun little sauce stuff. Oops. There we go, put you back in there. Ooh. Just smells like a good quality barbecue sauce. Not detecting any heat, but you know, first ingredients on there, one of the ingredients on there is Carolina Reapers, so let's just go ahead and get us a little pour. Oh, geez, settle down. It comes out quick, but it's still a thick boy. Look at that, yeah. Oh yeah, well, perfect, dripped on the plate. As it should. So let's give this a taste. I'll still, oh, no. Okay. Sweet right up front. It's got little bits and pieces in there of the ingredients. Yeah, you definitely get the brown sugar and the molasses right up front. Nice little burn to it. It's not overwhelming. I'm going to say this is probably heat-wise for me like a 1. Like I could drown these things in this and just eat it. I'm not going to waste it. It's good barbecue sauce. Tasty barbecue sauce. I will link him in the description below, but I want to see how well. I wanted to put these on ribs, but I haven't had a chance to. Haven't seen any decent looking ones, so in the store. So balls. Squeaky. I gotta build a new desk. It's chicken tender time. So let's see. Yeah, it's a real nice burn to it. It's real light, but it's lingering. That's perfect. You have to like a sweet barbecue sauce though, because this is sweet, but it goes, the heat like comes in right on the back end. Oh, it's perfect. Well done, Eric. I'm so glad I picked this up. So glad. So I will leave, like I said, I'll leave a link to his company in the website, or in the link below, description below, and well, he's got a, like I said, the tropical zombinero, and he also has a peach zombinero if you don't want the pineapple, a chupacabra, and he has a regular non-spicy version of the barbecue sauce. But well done. This is wicked good. So, all right, I'm gonna finish up my lunch. I hope you guys had a great day, and I will catch you guys in the later one where I do one of the hotter ones from Mr. Jimmy Pickles, to continue on Pickle Week, Day 2. I'll catch you guys later.